Tons of artists help Beenie Man celebrate his birthday. Spice producer graduate from university and coffee jar for gospel music. All these stories coming right up.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic.
So yes, people, yesterday was Beenie Man's birthday. Yesterday was also Spice's son's birthday. I did a video on that, so I'm pretty sure some of you saw that. But I saw that it was Beenie Man's birthday late. But them say everything for a reason, because there wasn't any videos and photos from his birthday party available when I did that video. So all the better I have those to show you. But before I show you the Beenie Man thing, let us talk about Spice producer. So I saw this on Pinkwall. The producer of Spice Cool It Down record graduated from university. He graduated from Glasgow Caledonian University, and that's in Scotland, right? So he graduated with his master's in business administration. So the caption reads, "Send congratulations to Epic Jones for achieving his master's in business administration while producing dancehall hit like Spice Cool It," right? So congratulations to Epic Jones. Big up yourself, boss. Love that. We always love to see people are progress. And he's also the producer of other tracks and work with other artists such as Egyptian, Shatawale Cyclone, TOK, and a few others. And the fact that he simultaneously produced these records while pursuing his masters, we have to give him a plus for that. Hence his name, Epic Jones. This is epic. You see me? So let us move on to the Beenie Man birthday story. Now, yesterday, the Dr. Beenie Man celebrated his birthday, so I just want to take a time out to say happy belated birthday to the Dr. Beenie Man, the king of dancehall himself, right? So he had a little get-together, and the artists, them turn out in a numbers. Me telling the people, I don't know who no did it. You see what I say? And from them videos there, you can see, you see. But however, there was like some special moment, you know what I mean, when Popcorn greet him and them thing there. So we have those clips for you. So let us take a look at those clips.
Trouble.
You soon get that. It's happy done. Oh, I'm to you. Big up Bailey, I feel birthday.
So yes, people, we see that, we see the unity, and we all know how Beenie Man and Popcorn history goes, so we're glad to see this right now, right? And we see Popcorn turn up and Lexus turn out for celebrating birthday, but also Bounty Killer was there, so take a look at this. Unity is definitely strength, and we know all of these dancehall artists come out for support Beenie Man. And local, we can see Egyptian, we see Kemar Icon, we see Conscience, and I don't know who else you can make out. I think the dancer Kiva was there and some other people. We know Mr. Lex and Poppy did there, you know, a whole heap of people turn up. So we just have to big up all of the artists, and we love to see them live good and set the example, and we love to see them pay the respect to a legend like Beenie himself, you know. And we know say other times it thing not said so, but big up the artists them for that. So I also saw that Teach Them post the full birthday party, or at least 23 minutes of it, so you can watch that on him channel. And when I watch that video, them see some of my dance of them, like Logo, and a couple more people did that what me not even know, you know. But I'm just saying, I'm surprised that these artists turn up in their numbers like that. Things definitely are change, and things definitely are get better. And if you don't agree with me, put in the comment section, right? I want to can yell up the doctor too and tell him, you know what I mean, happy belated birthday, even though it was yesterday, you know what I mean. Him still can get a happy belated birthday. At this moment, I want to take the time out to shout out one of my subscribers. She asked for a shout out. She comment and ask on the channel, so it's only right that I go ahead and give her a shout out. So I want to shout out to Ramona Veron, right? So when you can click on our channel or search our channel and find it, and you know what I mean, follow her. All right, so big up Ramona. Now we want to move on to the coffee story. Now yesterday I made a video about coffee because there was a Rasta lady that made a song about coffee and questioning coffee sexuality and her dressing. And Foota went live and I talked about it the whole day. Couple people challenge him and him, you know what I mean, kick fire back and I say, him not like coffee dressing and all this, right? Then in the night now, Scatter did live and Foota Hype joined Scatter live, and we all know the history between Foota Hype and Scatter. They are not really friends. I don't know if they're friends now, but they had a discussion, you know what I mean? It definitely was a mature discussion. So Scatter challenged Foota Hype and I said to Foota Hype, say, yo, you have really low coffee alone because coffee is just young and maybe she not growing to her correct self yet, or you know what I mean, just spend all this time putting the attention on her craft, she really not find herself yet. Scatter make some good points, right? And Foota say, well, when coffee I represent Jamaica and I represent reggae music, she can't dress how she dress. So people, we already know this is a forever discussion. You know, there's a lot of people who have a lot to say about coffee, but we have to remember say coffee is also a person, right? She do the best what she can do and I give us the good music, and we appreciate her because think about it. We barely get good music from some other artists. Where would I want to get some? I'm not being specific here. I'm just saying, coffee I do some good music where we can relate to. Other artists I do them thing, you know, but we're talking about the levels of music, the kind of music, right? There are music for different kind of reasons, and we can definitely tell that coffee music has substance. Now, Scatter bring up the argument and I said to Foota, if you think coffee change our dress code, if you think the music gonna be the same. And I have to agree with Scatter, I must say. Like, I don't think if she change her dress code, it's something I got off. You have to be comfortable for do what you do at the best, right? And if anybody want to challenge that, go ahead and put in the comment section. If anybody agree with that, also put in the comment section, right? So, my final video, more time I see post this video and we see a coffee vibe to some gospel music. Now, coffee always do this whenever there are people trying to like talk things about her. The last time I see coffee go Bible scriptures, right, was when this pastor lady come out and I talk about she get prophecy about coffee. So coffee dropped to Bible scriptures that time and it looked like that problem go away. But coffee definitely know and see all these things. There's no way coffee no know and see what Foota Hype I talk about. And you know what I mean, other people are join Foota Hype live and I try to, you know, support him. And she must see the people and we are defend her too. You know what I mean? She must see the people and we are defend her and I say, low coffee, I give it good music. So I don't know people. I feel like they need for give coffee a break still and make she do what she do. You know what I mean? Coffee is just young and she do the music at the best, and at that we need to focus on. That's what Scatter was saying, by the way. He must say we are focused on the wrong thing and we need to build her instead of break her down. You see me? Because imagine if Coffee just decides, say, all right, though, all right, I go dress how I want dress and I'm not going to sing no more song. Because if Foota said that, say, you know what I mean, she need to go so boom and act the part and dress certain way because she represent reggae music. I don't know. Suppose she decides that she go quit then. Since that she have to do, she prefer to dress and pick her dressing over the music. Or we are going to feel as fans. We are going to find somebody else for cuss, right? The people and we are cuss coffee for find a different way of dress. We probably are going to pick on somebody else or something. We always are going to have problem with people. Now, people, to me, I don't know. I think it's unfair how the world set up and everything set up, because right now, if something happen to somebody personal, we not get involved. We all want to get involved when time it's like, you know, easy to just say something about somebody. But right now, if somebody sick and wants something, if somebody need a plate of food or whatever, we not get involved. But we're always ready for cast judgment. We have to think about the things that we say because words cannot return, right? So when you say something about somebody, whether you mean it or not, and them thing there. And I'm just talking people. I'm just talking here. I'm not really being specific to anything. I'm just saying, you know, overall, these words are bringing down coffee away. Because we kind of put a burden upon her if she do something where it's not her. Like if she feel relaxing at them kind of clothes there, make sure relaxing at them kind of clothes there. It's not really doing no harm. Really not do nothing to me or the music. I mean, know people would disagree with me, and that's okay. That's okay if you want to disagree. Put in the comment section. We can have a mature discussion about it. My opinion, your opinion, right? as far as the Rasta woman go, where I try to call coffee pan certain things, she's not perfect also. Rasta not supposed to wear pants as far as me know. And the picture what me use for the thumbnail, you basically have a rainbow color upon your sleeve. You know what I mean? Your hair have color in it and all these things. So you're not living up to what you're portraying either. And I'll just leave it there, people. So like me, I chat a lot, but thank you for watching this video. And thank you for supporting this channel. If it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. For all my long-time subscribers, thank you for watching. And you have a wonderful rest of your day, night, or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Thank you.
We got Diamond in my AP. That's LIG. Atina. Excuse me. That's LIG. Rich. Punk. Should know. Tento Blacks. Yeah, they.